Welcome back, colleagues. Today I'm going to take you through the process of adding your Opencast videos into one playlist in Moodle. Alright, so now I'm in a course here. I've got videos that have been added. If you scroll down to the Opencast block, you can see the videos are right here. How do I make these videos available to my students? First of all, you're going to select turn editing on. So we're going to turn edit mode on. Alright, so once that is done, we're going to scroll down to the section where you want to add the video content. I'm going to add it right in here under course communication so students don't miss it. I'm going to click add resource. The resource that we're looking for is, let me just make sure it's a source, resource, not an activity. Okay, sorry. So it's an activity. It's an activity, and the activity is external tool. You click on an external tool, it should add it in, and now you can call it all Opencast recordings, or you can name it whatever you want to. What is important though is that you select from this drop down menu here Opencast LTI test. Once that is done, you can say save and return to course. Once the course is reloaded and you can then see that at the bottom it says external tool has been added, all, and the name that I've given it. If we switch off editing, you will see that it will say external tool, all Opencast recordings. If you click on it, it takes you to the media module where all the recordings that you have access to are available. And this is not what we want. We want our students to have the video content that is specific to this course. How do we do this? So if you come on this series, and I'm going to look for the course module, which is U3. Let's go to the top. U35883DD. So I'm going to look for U358DD. I know it's this one. So I'm going to select on this. Then you can see all the videos that are supposed to be in this playlist. So I'm going to select this URL right at the top. Select that. I'm going to go back to the course. I'm going to turn my editing on once again. And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to add another resource. And this time it's a resource which is a URL link. I'm going to say all Opencast recordings. And then I'm going to paste my URL link. Once I've done that, I'm going to say save and return to course. And now I'm going to come to my external tool. I'm going to say to this three dots here, I'm going to say hide. So I want to hide that from students, so students don't see that. All they see is this URL link, which is the videos. Now I'm going to turn off editing, and I'm going to reload my page. So when a student logs into this course, he's going to scroll down. He's going to come to this section where it says all Opencast videos. If he clicks on that section, it's going to give him a link. He's going to click on the link, and he's going to be able to see all the videos that are available in that particular course. Alright, so that's how you add all the videos from a particular course into one particular playlist. Now the student can press play, watch the videos, and continue through as they want.
Hello students.
Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Ciao, ciao.